Hello and welcome to yet another video edition of College Dekho. In this video, we will talk about MAH MBA SET counseling procedure. The counseling process for MAH MBA SET starts after the release of exam results. The conducting body of the exam releases a merit list based on the MAH MBA SET scores. Only those candidates whose name is in the merit list are allowed to participate in the counseling process. The counseling round involves multiple stages. Let us understand all the rounds of the counseling process in detail. Step 1 is online registration. Candidates need to register for the MAH MBA SET CAP through the official website and create a login ID and password. They have to fill in all details and upload scanned copies of the required documents in the application form. At last, they can submit the application form. Once done, candidates can take out a printout of the application form for future reference. The next round is document verification. The confirmation of the application form and document verification will be done in online mode. In case an error is found during document verification, candidates will need to resubmit their application after rectifying the error through the login itself. After the completion of the document verification round, a category-wise provisional merit list will be released on the official website. Candidates will then be allowed to raise their grievance if they have any issue regarding their data displayed in the provisional merit list. Once submitted, the accepted or rejected status of the grievance will be updated on the profile of the candidate. The next round is display of final merit list. The category-wise final merit list will be released after considering all the grievances raised by the candidates. The merit list will be displayed on the official website. Category-wise seats for the particular CAP round will be released by the conducting body after that. The seat matrix will contain the number of vacant seats for each course in each participating college of MAH MBA SET counseling round. Next round is online submission and confirmation of option form. Candidates have to fill up the option form in which they will have to provide their choice of colleges in order of preference. They can select a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 300 choices in the option form. If the option form is not manually confirmed by a candidate, it will automatically be confirmed on the deadline. Next step is provisional seat allotment. Candidates will be allotted a provisional seat on the basis of their preference and seat availability. Candidates will then have the option to accept or reject the seat allotted to them. Candidates who have been allotted the seat as per their first preference will not be allowed to participate in any further round of counseling, and the allotted seat will be automatically frozen. Next round is reporting to the Admission Reporting Center and allotted institute. Candidates who have been allotted a seat in the provisional allotment must report to the ARC to accept their allotted seat. Those who wish to apply for a better seat in the next round of CAP are also required to report to the ARC after the allotment. Only after the candidate has reported to the ARC, they will be required to report to the allotted institute to finalize their admission. Next and the last round is reporting to the allotted institute. Candidates need to report finally to the allotted institute to finalize their admission. The institute will verify the documents of the candidate and upload their admission status to the online system. After that, candidates will be required to submit the fee and get a receipt of the same from the institute. This was all about MAH MBA SET counseling procedure. Those who have any doubt regarding the MAH MBA SET counseling process can ask questions on the College Dekho Q&A zone. The direct link for the Q&A zone is provided below.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.